so I get the whole hand in?
Go ahead.
Okay, now am I looking at the camera?
Yes.
He's looking at the camera. Right?
Yes. Just stay on that carpet. Don't come closer. You'll get your whole body.
What is it?
If you stay on that carpet, don't come toward me. You'll be able to get your whole body in. I think once we build the top of the hand up, it'll look much better too. You have to build the top of the hand. Act like you're eating biggleberries.
Alright, that's good.